too. That'd be so cool. That bitch so pretty, man. Why they be doing those? Why they be doing it to these cars, man? Pretty ass cars, bro, and just wasting them like that. What's the point, dog? What is the point? Pretty ass car, wide body Challenger, blacked out. He driving that bitch like it's a Porsche. He trying to hit some precision ass turns. Look at him. That is a muscle car, my boy. Where you finna hit that freeway? Oh, 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 oh. Damn. Oh my goodness. That's a scat pack. They ain't even no cat. That was a scat. Look at him. Trying his best to get some fucking traction. It look purple too. It look like a darkest purplish color too.